This video explains how to produce an assembly drawing. We start from folder to find the template. Click on, so that's the template. And you can use a fit. This is the A3 template, so you don't need to change the size for the assembly drawing. Then we can go straight for View Wizard. Find my file. So it is assembly file. We must change the also models. Then we have this assembly. Now open. Right. So if you click now, you'll see the view like this, but we want to change the view to a proper front view. Same way. Okay, that's your front view. Click front, and then click isometric. Okay. Change the scale. Right, and then we can click and mirror the path to a appropriate place. We need to actually have the part list here, so I need to leave some space here. After this one, you can use the part list function. Click, and then click on the view where you want to place the balloons for part list. If that's the one, just click that one. Okay. Now we can move to these properties that allow us to change the balloon style. Just uncheck this box. Go to this one. We don't need the author. Then we can use delete from the column, then add materials to the model. Materials, add, and you can use this mirror up. Okay, so all the text in the title block has to be in capital. Title block and part list. Okay, we have to change. Oh, something else. Okay, for that one, we need to change it to part name rather than file name. Okay, and you need to change all of these to capital. And once you've done that, just click OK. Then you can place your here. So you have your file name automatically in, but you need to actually change into a proper part name. So you click this one, and then click on this one, click on data, click and right click, allow cells overrides. Then the first one, for example, is pushing. Then you add the bridging here. Then you also need to add the materials. Yeah, you need to do the same. Allow overrides, cell overrides. And you need to do all of these. Once all done, click OK. Then you'll see the text appears in the part list. Right. You need to make sure these blooms go on clockwise. If not, you can just click this one and change, not double click, click one, then change the number there, and then update, it will be changed automatically. So in addition to that, you need to add center lines, critical center lines, just main one. And you need to add critical dimensions, just the overall length, height, and click this, click that side. Okay, if you do this again, maybe from there. Okay, and right away. Remember, you have to actually these into 2 decimals. So 1 decimal place. This is 2 decimal places. So you can click on select and right click on dimension and properties here in the units part. You can change to 1 decimal place. Click OK. So that becomes 14.2. So once you add all the critical dimensions and the necessary center lines, not too many, then the drawing is done. So that is how we produce the assembly drawing. Of course, you need to fill this title box as you did for the component drawing. That's it for this video.